one of the most abundant organism that is here on earth and has been here even before the conception of humankind are parasites, and they're ubiquitous, they're everywhere, they're prolific, they're very difficult to kill. And I made a video about this, and the thing about these parasites is that they can latch on to your mucosa and just suck in all of the nutrients that you have. That's why majority of the people who have chronic infestation or parasitism, they usually have some form of malnutrition. Another one is that they reproduced. So you have this burden, this load of burden inside your body. And they can go anywhere. They can go into your lungs, in your intestines, in your liver. They can go to the brain, and they can go to the muscles too. So that's how crazy it is. And sometimes, you know, when they reproduce, they would go outside your butthole and they would lay their eggs there and come back again. So after that, you have this excretions, their excreta. And guess where those excreta go? Those excreta goes into your bloodstream, it goes into your system, and it just poisons you from within. So it's very important to be aware of how parasites can impact our health.